Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be making a presentation I once did at the Open Source Festival in February 21st, 2020 in Lagos, Nigeria. This talk is about the look into open source in Nigeria using the Made in Nigeria project as a case study. If you would like to check out this project, you can head up to madeinnigeria.dev. So let's get right into it. A brief background to this project. I created it in 2017, that's March of 2017, out of the need to show that Nigerians can actually do more than just consume tools, but also build tools for global consumption. Which means that regardless of where you are around the world, we have Nigerians that have built solutions that can be used to solve any problem, not just for Nigerians, not just Nigeria-focused projects, if you get what I mean. The criteria for adding repos to this project included that it had to be created by a Nigerian, have global relevance, and also have more than 5 stars. The requirement for the stars is it's not a popularity contest. It's also just to identify that a couple of people have actually checked out this project and they agree that it's working, because it's to be almost impossible for us to manually test each project to ensure that it does what they say it does before adding to the repo. So a brief introduction about myself again. Adewale Ish Abati, developer advocate at Flutterwave, I'm a web engineer and also an open source enthusiast, which is why I'm giving this talk in the first place. And of course, I'm an avid gamer. El Punisher is my gamer tag if you can find me. And also, you can follow me on Twitter at ace_KYD. A brief insight: this project has been going on for 3 years now, since March 2017. It's been going on for 3 years now. And over this period, there's accumulated 158 projects from a total of 87 creators, and each of these projects have been added by 80 contributors. So over the course of 3 years, we've had 80 people actually contribute 158 projects from 87 creators, all Nigerians, to this repository. All of these projects, 158 of them, have a combined total number of 26,238 stars, showing how many people have actually found them useful all over the world. So this 158 project have been able to influence or be used by 26,338 people. Of course, this is not unique numbers. Some of them will repeat numbers over projects, but 26,338 people have actually found this project useful. And 559 people have actually contributed to each of these projects. What this means is that on each individual project, we checked out the amount of contributors and how many people actually help build those projects. So 158 projects built by Nigerians were actually contributed to by 559 other people. Yeah, this is where things get to be serious. Out of 87 creators, only 3 of them are women. 5.75% of them are actually organizations, and the rest are men. There's a serious need for more presence, more women to be openly participating in open source projects, not just open source, basically tech in general. We need more women, and we also need to create an environment where women are more comfortable to not only contribute but also build and share their projects without any issues arising. Looking back into the contributors as well, 3.75% of contributors are women, which is also ridiculously small. These 3.75% of women actually contribute 1.24% of the number of comments that were sent in to this project. This is a huge gap that needs to be resolved one way or the other, and I honestly do not have all the answers. And one of the reasons why I'm making this presentation in the first place is to get people that watch these, people that have ideas on how to get more women involved in tech, provide environments for them, make the entire ecosystem more comfortable for women to be confident enough to share their resources, share their projects, contribute and be part of communities. And thankfully, there have been a number of organizations that are doing this, like She Code Africa and the likes. And I hope we get to see more women in the coming years as well. The most popular project among these 158 projects is also Chakra UI. It was created, I think, less than a year ago, and over this period, it has gathered 4,437 stars, and 30 contributors have contributed to this project, which is amazing if you ask me. Creators are also not restricted to just Lagos. We have creators from Lagos, Canada, Ibadan, Glasgow, Scotland, even in Abuja, and some of them have also relocated out of the country. We have Dubai, Germany, Canada, like I mentioned. So for most part of it, a lot of these people were in Lagos at the time they created their project, but some of them have also relocated since that time. But we still have a large number of people based out of Lagos, Nigeria. The most popular languages include, JavaScript. JavaScript is everywhere right now. 83 projects out of 158 actually use JavaScript, which is closely followed by HTML with 59, and then CSS 48, PHP 42, and then Java 17. We have other languages used there, but they were not so much, and these are like the most popular ones. From my point of view, I feel like this means that we have more people building more resources for the web. When you look at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, even though these can be used to build projects for other platforms, but basically it means more Nigerians are actually building more resource projects towards the web. And these are the amazing creators that have made this possible. We have a Unicode developer with quite a number of projects standing out, followed by Ire, and also other people that their names are obviously here. I would like to shout out everyone, but each and every single person here has actually been the one showing and promoting their projects and showing that Nigerians are actually creators and not just consumers. I'm also aware that a lot of people have their projects, amazing projects out there that are not yet part of this, repository, and I would love to implore people to share their projects so that we can continue to show that we also have the ability to create stuff. And I look forward to seeing more pull requests and more contributions from creators all around, and then we get to grow these numbers. And also big shout out to all the contributors that made this possible. I only contributed a part of it. I could not just go out and gather all the projects. Every single one person here sent in a PR for either their own project or for another person's project, and they made this repository what it is today. Big shout out to everyone, and I thank you for your contributions. So basically what are the takeaways from this? Basically we need more women to feel comfortable participating, building, sharing, communicating, and just feel like they're in a safe space to not just build open source projects, but to actually share these projects openly, and also add them to repositories like this one. We need more organizations creating and sharing tools that they use internally, that they've used to solve problems, so that other organizations can take advantage of this, and we don't have to reinvent the wheel because everyone is building in silos. We need to work together with these organizations to be able to build more open source projects that will not just grow our economy, not just grow our ecosystem, but will just make global impact. And obviously JavaScript is still right on top, and I don't think anyone can go wrong learning JavaScript today. So if you are looking for a language to pick up, JavaScript seems like a good place to start. And also there's no better time to empower the next billion creators. We are we have a very huge population, not just in Nigeria but in Africa, and a lot of people are also trying to make impact in their own ways, building projects, and open source is a way for us to not only create resources for these people, but to show them that it can be done, and also provide a community to support them along the way. But most importantly, I need us to focus on the fact that we need more women to not just be a part of the ecosystem, but to feel comfortable to create, to share, and have access to resources to promote their work. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I want to give a big shout out to Lorna and Adebayo, who helped me create and present this data in a more understandable format than just Excel sheets and numbers, as the case may be. So thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you love this, and I hope to do more videos of my previous talks or future talks, because everyone is social distancing right now, and we have to just do what we can. So thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in my next video.